learning better and faster.
Digital Health: A Revolution, an article by Antonio Castiglione. Antonio is a data scientist and solution engineer, a detail-oriented professional with 10 years experience, with in-depth knowledge of data science and business analytics. Proven expert who contributed to various projects. We have a real conceptual change for the approach to health. The addition of new technologies has brought many opportunities. Technology is more widely used to treat diseases and diagnose and treat people. Our lives are digital because we interact with digital objects as often as not, and these are always online. Technology has a significant impact on our health. Thanks to digital health, many diseases can be virtually cured as never before. Health apps are on the rise, but only a few of them have been deemed reliable and certified to provide real digital therapies. The new paradigm is to change the perspective from the patient to the individual consuming health. An excellent article that elates readers interested in health. We recommend the article by Antonio Castiglione in mlearning.ai.
If you are willing to share some feedback, I would love to know it. Follow mlearning.ai publication on Medium. It is state-of-the-art in machine learning. Link to the article in the description below. See you soon.